Hey everyone, so many of you ask me about how I can send multiple emails at a time. Also, multiple messages to WhatsApp without saving any contacts. So in this video, I am going to cover both topics. So make sure you watch this video till the end and keep patience with me. So first of all, I am going to use a Chrome extension that is named Gmask Chrome extension for sending multiple emails. So let it open. So yeah, this is the site that you can check, chrome.google.com. I'm going to attach this link with the description. Don't worry about this. Now simply install this, add to Chrome, add extension. So yeah, as you can check, the extension is added and it opened your email automatically. No thanks. Okay, no thanks, no need to enable notifications. Now simply you can pin this Gmask. Now when you open the compose button, now you need to give some permissions to Gmask, right? So before that, first of all, so I am going to show what things I have done right now. I'm just refresh this page and it's automatically shows this pop-up Gmask, because when you install a extension it needs some time to completely active on this site, right? So make sure you reload this page once. After you reload, you get this kind of pop-up. Now you need to connect with your Google account. Okay, you after you simply signed in, give this allow. Now you can close this window as well, no need to show magic. Now simply here you can select multiple emails from Google Sheet, from a list, from another campaign. I am prefer with Google Sheet. Now you have to give access again. So yeah, give some allow. And yeah, you are good to go. Now I don't have any spreadsheet inside my Google spreadsheet account, so let me create one. So as you can check, I am just going to Google Sheet and create a sheet that is have some name, emails and description and some random text. So this field is very mandatory, the emails. As you can you can select these emails from this spreadsheet using Gmask, right? So okay, now came back to your account, go to Google Sheet. Now select. Now also gives name, you can give name like test sheet or anything. Now again search. Test sheet. Now connect to spreadsheet. Simple click. So it automatically get 3 recipients. Now what is your task? Your task is to need some subject. Let's suppose you want dynamic subject. So hi. Now simply press the curly brace and you automatically get suggestion what are the columns you have. So I want name, and now you are, now simply give description. Your coupon code is, and coupon code. That's all. I simply click the Gmail account. Click button. Now there is a paid plan as well in Gmail. You can check out if you wish, but you get nearly 1,000 free emails per account, right? So you can check you did it. Gmail has processed for mass email and 3 emails has been sent. So if you go to send, you can check, hi Rancho, you are program winner. Your coupon code is like this. You can check Rancho program winner coupon code is here. If you still doubt, so let's go here. Okay, let me go and open email. And you can check it, the email is come. So hope you got completely idea about Gmail. And now let's talk about how you can send multiple messages in WhatsApp without saving any number. Hey guys, so back again with a new window that to send multiple messages in WhatsApp. First of all, you need to search WA Rocket Chrome extension. After that, you can check this site. I'm again going to attach this link in description. I have already installed that. You simply click on install button and you can automatically get this kind of interface in your WhatsApp web. One is sender button, one is star button. Two, you can check blur recent text like this way I am doing right now. Got it? Now here the procedure is very simple. You can check, you can upload any CSV file, or you can enter phone numbers using commas. You can give a message. You can send attachment as well, attach image, attach document, anything. Send a common message to everyone, and after that click on WhatsApp. You can send maximum 200 using this. So hope you got it. Here is a paid plan as well. So if there is any doubt, make sure you tell me in comment section, and if you need a complete guide as well on WA Rocket, also ping me up. Till then, take care and make sure you subscribe. Also share to your friends. Goodbye.